version is done. So this is a Laravel 13 version. After a long time we have installed this, we have solved many issues in this process. Laravel 13 version is coming, so check this version. The PHP version you need 8.10 is 8.1 to 8.3, 8.2 to 8.4 is 11 version, but when 12 version 8.2 to 8.5, and this is February 2025, and 2026 the new version is coming, 13 version. Here PHP need 8.3 to 8.5, so check your PHP version is here. My PHP version is updated, so we can install the Laravel 13 version. So click the installation process, get started the installation process, and click the global environment. So move this here and copy this and paste the command. Now done. So Laravel 13 version is okay, it's working fine. Finally we have done this project, and we have creating Laravel version. Firstly we have pressed our Laravel version is Laravel Demo version. So go to the our folder, done www, and click our Laravel Demo version. This is our Laravel Demo version. Copy this and go here, cd php partition sub. So copy this and run the server. This is Laravel Demo, what we are trying here. Done. This is loading now. So what is here? Database is not connected, so we have to need to connect a connection of database. So we stop this code. Run the code here. So we are updated this our code. Database is connection. Where is the database? DB. So this is our database system, so update this. So remove this, and so this is my root Laravel 13 version. This is our DB name, MySQL. So come here and copy and create a new is here and update it. This done. So now update this PHP Attributes sub, and this issue also you have solved. So we are reloading this space. PHP migrate connection migrate. So done. So end this. Now reopen this page. Now Laravel 13 version is done. So this is a Laravel 13 version. After a long time we have installed this. We have solved many issues in this process. To update this, the PHP version, composer version, then we try this. Then also we have need to change the PHP admin version and MySQL version. All version we have to change this for, as we are using this old version. To install the Laravel version, you need to change this version. The latest version you have to install this for. So I try to enjoy this version. This is the Laravel version you can use. Thank you.